Here some water, sugar, colors and water. First take some tablespoon of sugar and mix it in the water, and then take a spoon and mix the sugar well, and if the sugar does not mix, you can add color to it. So I have added and the sugar stop mixing. It means your solution is now saturated. Then mix watercolor, but make sure that it is watercolor or else your experiment will not work. See, the watercolor is not mixing with the water. But why? Science behind it. As you add sugar to the water, more and more sugar molecules take the available space between water molecules, making the solution more dense. This solution called as saturated solution. So the color molecule doesn't get space to dissolve in the solution.